And our first question for the day, we've got a standard normal distribution sort of question. So the weights of golden badgers produced by a plant are known to be normally distributed with a mean of 32.8 kilograms and a standard deviation of 3.1. By the way, golden badgers are a type of fruit, in case you're wondering. Find the percentage of badgers that weigh less than 35 kilograms. So the key point here is probably to draw ourselves our normal distribution curve. I want you to get used to this while you're working through it. And we know our mean is 32.8 and our standard deviation equals 3.1. And we want to know what the percentage of badgers that weigh less than 35 kilograms. So if the mean is 32.8, this will probably be about 35 there. And we want to know what's less than that. Okay, so we're looking for all of that. So the best thing to do, so we'll just write our probability statement here, the probability that X is less than 35 kilograms, and that equals. So I'm going to show a video right now of how to, or embed a video of how to do that on the calculator. So I'll just put my calculator up, and here we go. So from your main menu, select the stats screen, and then select normal distribution, and we're doing NCD because we're doing a range of values. We're looking at less than 35 kilograms, so our upper limit is going to be 35 because that's the highest amount we're doing. So therefore, because we're doing less than that, we need to put a lower of some ridiculous number, and we'll just put 0 because that's more than 5 times the standard deviation. Put the standard deviation of 3.1 and the mean of 32.8 and press execute, and voila, what we'll get is our p-value, which equals 0.761. Go to 3 or 4 decimal places. Okay, now one thing we've got to remember here is that just very carefully we've also got to look at what the question says. The question wasn't just asking for the probability, it was looking for the percentage. So we now need to convert this to a percentage. So therefore 76.1% of golden badgers weigh less than 35 kilograms. Okay, so just be aware that when they're asking for the proportion or the probability, you can just leave it as that decimal. But if they're asking for the percentage, you have to convert it.